9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, and welcome to the AI for 2022 Retail Summit. We hope you are ready for 2 days of deep diving into the impact AI is having on retail. We're excited for you to meet our incredible speakers who are leading AI initiatives at some of the world's top retailers. And a special thanks to our sponsors, Pachyderm, Superb AI, Sama, HPE, Nylas, Scale AI, and the others who made this event possible. Since we're all about artificial intelligence, we thought it made sense to have an AI welcome you to this amazing event. Without any further ado, please allow me to introduce, drumroll please, myself. In case you did not notice, I'm an AI-generated actor. To create this welcome video, our co-founder Michael Weiss simply typed this script into a text box and then the computer did the rest. AI-generated synthetic media like myself can be used in many ways, from marketing videos to movies. People like me are considered deep fakes, but I don't really like the term myself as I feel quite real. Lucky for you, I represent just the tip of the AI iceberg. Today, you will encounter many exciting innovations that are only made possible thanks to intelligent machines. I wish you an amazing conference experience. And if you like this summit, I hope to see you all in Las Vegas this August 16th to 18th for the AI industry's greatest event, AI for 2022. You can expect thousands of AI-interested attendees, hundreds of AI exhibitors, 250 speakers, and a ton of AI fun. Now I'll introduce a human to say hello as well. Take it away, Patrika.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the AI for 2022 Retail Summit. We are so glad to have everyone here digitally. My name is Patrika Elise, and I'll be your MC for the next hour of the show. We've got some incredible content planned for you today. I just have a few key items to run through before we get started. This conference, as you've probably noticed, runs on the SwapCard event platform. Everything you need to have an amazing summit experience can be found right here. First, let's talk about networking. In order to find your connection request, meeting requests, and conversations with other attendees, simply click on the My Event button, which you can find here. By clicking into this feature, you'll be able to view your networking conversations and connection requests, and see your meetings and meeting requests. Now, let's talk about the AI exhibits. The AI for 2022 Retail Summit features incredible AI products and services that were hand-selected by the AI4 team. Each one of these companies has the ability to help you push your company forward. Take a second to click around the virtual booths and explore what they have to offer. Inside, you can find more information about each company, as well as helpful white papers and other downloadables. And that's it. We think you'll find SwapCard very intuitive and easy to use. Now that you're familiar with the SwapCard platform and how to use it, let the AI for 2022 Retail Summit begin. I'll now welcome Daniel Lackland, the content producer of AI4, to introduce today's agenda and the first speaker.
What's up, everyone? We hope you are very excited about the AI for 2022 Retail Summit. This is an event specifically tailored for our retail community who want to learn more about and stay up to date on AI use cases. Today, we have our general session content followed by our breakout tracks, covering AI for specific areas such as e-commerce, in-store AI, supply chains, and our technical track. Throughout the event, remember that you can ask the speakers questions and discuss ideas in real time during every talk by way of the chat box feature in SwapCard. Now, for our first speaker, Radha Sankaran, VP and CTO of Associate and In-Person Experience for Retail Banking Technology at Capital One. With more than 25 years of hands-on leadership as a technology executive, Radha has a proven track record in fast-paced and quality-driven product delivery settings. In her current role, Radha oversees building seamless associate and in-person experiences. She empowers her teams to accelerate the Capital One technology journey and provide secure, resilient, and forward-looking technology solutions that enable Capital One's associates and customers with superior and differentiated experiences. She is passionate about promoting diversity in the technology space and thinks leading with empathy is core to managing successful and innovative teams. She is also known for her strategic thinking, focus on operational excellence, and her ability to develop people and culture. Prior to her role at Capital One, Radha spent 14 years with Verizon, most recently serving as the executive director of Core Platforms, where she led advanced analytics and AI-driven customer experience platform strategy and build. Without any further ado, please welcome Radha to the virtual stage. Without any further ado, we will jump right into the topic. So the first question is, could you introduce yourself and your role?
Absolutely. So my name is Radha Sankaran, and I have over 25 years of experience in the telecom industry. I'm currently the VP and CTO of Associate and In-Person Experience, Retail Bank Technology at Capital One. I'm responsible basically for the hardware, software, and network in the branches and the cafes, the contact center technology and experiences, which includes voice and the associates, fraud alerting and claims, collections and recovery, check processing, and bank risk control.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Big role, a lot going on there. I'm excited to, I'm excited to dive in. All right. So AI is all the rage right now. Everyone at this conference is coming because they're interested in AI. So how are you seeing it shape retail and consumer banking?
Absolutely. If you see, core to Capital One's vision is really to continuously make banking easier and better for our customers. And we are using AI/ML to help our customers become more financially empowered, such as, if you were to think, some of the examples are, we want to help, in the predictions about their upcoming bills. We want to detect irregular expenses that are happening and better manage their spending. AI and machine learning, they're such powerful tools for this industry. And it's been very interesting to, help shape how we can harness these for better experiences. We today can now talk to our virtual assistant in a more open-ended way. And these assistants actually help us in a variety of our complicated tasks. So it really comes down to leveraging AI/ML to do real-time personalization with each customer at every specific level. So it's central to how we build our products and services and how we run our company.
Excellent. Thank you so much. What an exciting culture of innovation. So to jump into in-person experiences specifically, in-person experience is an area that is receiving a lot of attention right now due to the potential for serious innovations around AI. And so in your opinion, what sort of opportunities exist there?
Absolutely. So for us, these advancements in AI and ML, they enable us to unlock new opportunities where we can customize our user experiences within our branches in the cafes, and allows us to put the power of information in our customers' hands. So if you think of some of the opportunities, that exist, here is we leverage today, actually, we leverage a lot of our AI robotics for automated testing of bill payments and our check issuance through these AI robots. Additionally, we have created cafes that enable our customers to, come into an environment where they can learn and leverage our products through the side-by-side collaborative experiences with our ambassadors who use iPads. We have also do real-time fraud detection. So our ML-driven real-time decisioning platform, it helps us find nuanced and non-linear relationships in transactions to data to distinguish our fraudulent, transactions from legitimate transactions. So this helps us dramatically detect real-time fraud and reduce false positive declines for our customers, which can, be a negative experience for customers who are in good standing with us. So we use all of these various ways to improve and, innovate on the experiences for our customers.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Really exciting to hear that there are so many use cases going on. So that was, the what. The next question is about the how, right? With so much going on, how do you actually approach, or how should one approach innovating with AI with regard to in-person experiences?
Yeah, I would say it's a mix of, constant collaboration between the teams, staying up to date and ahead of the trends. We look at what technology trends are in the industry, and so that we can think about what's next for us, really. Our tech associates today, they are using real-time data at scale, and the power of the cloud, because we're all in the cloud. I think we are that unique company that is all in the cloud, which allows us now to solve unique and challenging technology problems, and allows us also to deliver those intelligent solutions. How we involve our associates in our branches and our cafes and our design teams through human design thinking as well helps us in this journey. We have them all work very closely with our design partners so that we can drive the best ways to innovate in those spaces. And our technology investments have been true game changers in our ability to respond with agility, flexibility, and also nimbleness through this pandemic.
So exciting. Really, really cool. Now, would you say that there are challenges that are particular to in-person experiences versus some other type of, AI use case? And if so, what challenges would you say exist that are particular to in-person oriented AI use cases?
I would not say they're challenges, but they're different, right? If you think of a non-human interface like e-commerce, you have to really be very, very prescriptive in your experiences, or almost like you have to, understand what it is that the customer is trying to come and do within your websites, and how best can you position your products and your services for them, right? So you have to be truly prescriptive. Whereas in the in-person experiences, you do have the advantage of a human to human interaction, where it allows our ambassadors and our associates to understand the true customer needs. And it doesn't force you to become that prescriptive. Of course, it's great if you can be very prescriptive even in the human interactions, because then you reduce that time, the average time to handle, whether it's in your contact centers or your branches, and you're able to get to the customer what best they need. But in-person experiences truly gives you that additional benefit of the human interaction. So I would say it's less of a challenge, but more of a benefit.
Wow, exciting stuff. So speaking of, positive changes and in-person experiences, what do you expect for in-person experiences for AI moving forward, say over the next 5 or 10 years?
Yeah, sure. We expect to see continuous improvement and growth coming. For us, we want to continuously innovate, improve what we have been doing and how we are serving our customers, and be that front runner, in pushing the industry forward. As I said earlier, we strongly believe in the mission of doing banking for good, and which is very much evidence where we were the pioneer in truly eliminating, fees, the no-fee banking in the industry, whereas other banking banks followed suit, right? So for us, it is very, very important that we continuously innovate to do banking for good. And also make it easier for our customers. That way we give them their best experiences through this innovation. As I said earlier, our tech associates are constantly using real-time data at scale, machine learning, to solve these unique, challenging technology problems, so that we can deliver these intelligent real-time solutions that can benefit millions of customers and allows us to strengthen the vision as we move forward.
All right, Radha, thanks for your insights, and thank you all for watching. Now, please make your way to your next session. Also, don't forget to check out the networking, accept your connection requests, and explore the AI exhibits. Have a great time. Woohoo!